All right, Wheel of Time. I ordered this box a week ago on Amazon and there were only 5 left. I checked the next day and they were all gone. I didn't hear anything from Amazon. Nobody told me if they sent it or not, so I figured maybe I'm not gonna get this. But 3 days ago, they sent me an email that the package was sent, and today I received it in Denmark. It was sent from the US, so I think that's probably the fastest package I've ever received from the US, but as you can see, it's also a little bit damaged. Mostly it's the corners, and I'm hoping that it's packed properly inside so the books aren't damaged, because I received a fair bit amount of damaged books, not only from Amazon but from all kinds of vendors. They got nice heavy stickers on here, and it's true, it's heavy. But maybe they should have put on fragile stickers as well. Or maybe it's just me. Yeah. But I think we should open it up and have a little look inside and see if the books are damaged. So it's looking good. I think we have a box within the box. Mother! Oh no. Yes. And this box looks a lot better than the other one. So hopefully we're good here, because this was a bit expensive. I think $450 US and $200 in packaging and tax and all that stuff to get it to Denmark. Yes. So it's looking pretty good. Wheel of Time. Winter's Heart. And these are supposed to be brand new, and it looks like they are. So yeah, very exciting. I've never read these before. I'm a huge Brandon Sanderson fan. Brandon Sanderson, who wrote the last 3 books in the series after Robert passed away. And I will say, I am positively surprised by the condition of all these books. Oh, there's a one that's a little bit damaged. You can see the corner. It's probably been maybe roughed up before it was packaged, or it's been like moving against one of the other books, I don't know. But hopefully that's the only one. If there are any more, I might reach out to Amazon and ask them for a discount or maybe a replacement of that one book. because I bought these because I want to keep them forever. Because I'm a bit of a collector. But yeah. Most of them look fine. I think. Yeah. They look pristine. They are in very good shape. So definitely pretty sure that these are new books. And not secondhand. It's a little bit of damage on the spine here, unfortunately, and this is The Eye of the World, the first one, so that's a little bit of a shame, but maybe we can fix it. And these are with the original artwork on the covers. I will say overall I'm positively surprised by the quality. I had a little fear that I was going to get secondhand books, or that the package was going to be utterly trashed, because sometimes the carrier is not too careful. Most problems I've had are with FedEx, and I actually don't know who delivered this one. It was just on my doorstep a couple of hours ago, and yeah. Well, I think one that has a tear, we're going to need to replace that one. And then The Eye of the World that has a bump on the spine, but the rest, I think, are in great condition. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8. That's 15. That's all the books. Very exciting. So now I just need maybe 3 months off of work, and have to work. Well, thanks for watching, I guess. If you are on the fence about buying these, I think you should. I think it's a good deal. You might be able to get it a little bit cheaper if you buy them individually, but honestly, I wasn't really sure which ones goes together, and could I get all the right ones, and did I have to pay shipping and all that stuff many times, and tax and all that stuff. So I went with Amazon, and I think they delivered on par with my expectations. So I'm pretty happy. Have a nice evening, or day, or morning, or whatever. See ya.